So this may have happened to you where depending on the year of your RV, these little levels that hold the water heater vent in place break off. If you can see, that's where it broke off. It's got a spring and then this connect, which connects to the spring. So the vehicle's over 15 years old, so I need a new one. So Amazon had them. It's called water heater latch. I like that, it's black instead of white. If you can see them, I got two of them. So I'll show you how you mount them real quick. Alright, so here's the new part. I know you're probably thinking, well, how do we get this on here to go through this hole here? So it fits over that. Yeah, it's pretty easy. This is going to lay like this. So it'll be through the main hole and then that hole. The thing is, I have to pop this plastic piece off. Here you can see this a little better. If you pop the spring back, see the gap? Gap's on that side. My hands are in the way, but there's the gap. So push down. There it goes. Okay, see that? It's got a little lip. And it just pops off, and then this fits over like that. Okay, let's go back to the RV. Alright, finally got it around it. Let's see how well that works. Yeah, buddy. There's the spring. See the spring right there? That just pulls out a little bit. That holds the tension. But it just slides on there. But I'm glad I ordered two because it's, you know, it's plastic. So yeah, so an easy fix with a carabiner, little hack. And then here's the water latch, the water heater latch. Comes with two. I'll leave a link in the description box. You can grab one. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.